Question 18. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is a cuboid. Here it is. AB is 7.3. I'm just going to put that on. 7.3 centimeters. CH is 8.1. Angle BCA is 48. So BCA. So if I imagine a line going from A to C, this side of it, the angle is 48 degrees. Find the size of the angle between AH, I'm just going to change colour. So AH is that line, and the plane ABCD. ABCD. So it's wanting this angle here that it makes with the base. Now, it's quite difficult sometimes to see a two-dimensional picture inside a three-dimensional drawing. So I'm going to draw out exactly what I want. So I want that triangle HAC. So I've got H, C, A. It's a right angle triangle. I know it's a sketch. HC is 8.1. I need the angle at A, so this is the angle I want, this one here, and I don't have any other lengths. So I'm going to need to do some work first to get one of these lengths so I can work out this angle using trigonometry. Let's see what other information I've got, because I either want to work out AH or AC. If I look down here at the triangle, some of the information I've been given, if I look at A, B, C, if I look at that triangle, I think I can work out AC. So AB is 7.3. ACB, this angle is 48. So I can work out this length AC, which I can then put here to work out that angle. I should have said, once you have clearly shown which angle you're trying to work out here, you would pick up a mark. Back to this triangle. So I'm going to use SOHCAHTOA. There are other ways of working out which trig ratio to use. If you've got one that works, that's fine. Most people use SOHCAHTOA to help them out. This is the angle of interest, so this is the opposite. Because it's opposite the angle I want. And this is a hypotenuse because it's the longest side opposite the right angle. If I've got the opposite and the hypotenuse, I have to use sine. So I know the sine of 48 is the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. I want the hypotenuse on its own on one side, so I'm going to multiply both sides by the hypotenuse. So I'm going to get the hypotenuse times sine 48 is 7.3, and now divide by sine 48. And I'll get my answer. I'm running out of space, but I'll put another equals here. I shouldn't really, I should put it under here, but that's okay. Pick up your calculator. 7.3 divided by sine 48. Make sure you're in degrees. I've got a little d there. So 7.3 divided by sine 48. Just move it so we can see it a little bit clearer. And that's 9.823. So I think I'll go to 9.82. The final answer has to be to one decimal place, so I'm just going to go more than that whilst I'm in my workings. Getting to 9.82 gets you the second mark. So now I know AC is 9.82 centimeters. Again, I need to do some trigonometry now. I want this angle. This is the opposite. This is the adjacent. This is opposite the angle I'm trying to work out. This is next to it. If I've got the opposite and the adjacent, I have to use the tan function. Because I want an angle, so the tan of this question mark is 8.1 divided by 9.82. That's going to mean, to work that out, I need to go tan to the minus 1 of 8.1 over 9.82. Getting this far, showing the examiner you know which trig ratio to use, gets you your third mark. And now we just have to pick up our calculator and try and type in the right information. So let's clear that one. My tan to the minus 1 is on a shift button. Make sure you know how yours works. 8.1 divided by 9.82. Close bracket. 39.5. So my question mark is 39.5 degrees. I've rounded it to 1 decimal place. And I have my fourth mark.